Repeating with me 3 times a day, you will attract wealth at an incredible speed, can set the foundation for remarkable changes in your financial life. This simple yet powerful affirmation is rooted in the principles of the law of attraction, which asserts that your thoughts can directly influence your reality. Today, we will explore how affirmations like this can reshape your mindset towards wealth, dive into the mechanics behind these statements, and provide you with practical ways to integrate them into your daily life for maximum effectiveness. Let's begin by understanding what affirmations are and how they harness the power to impact your financial destiny. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated frequently, aim to reinforce and encourage a change in your mindset and behavior. The core idea here is simple. Positive thinking leads to positive outcomes. By affirming your goals as already achieved, you effectively program your subconscious mind to work towards making these affirmations a reality. This process isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about setting a clear mental path for your actions and thoughts to follow. Affirmations help focus your attention on your goals, aligning your mental and emotional energies with the realization of those goals. The specificity of an affirmation is crucial. When you specify the exact nature of your desire, such as attracting wealth quickly, you create a clear and focused intention. This clarity helps your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities related to your affirmations. It's not enough to want wealth broadly or abstractly. Defining the speed and ease with which you want to achieve this wealth amplifies the affirmation's power. The more precise you are, the more effectively your mind can visualize and work toward this goal, making it feel attainable and directing your actions accordingly. Repeating an affirmation like "you will attract wealth at an incredible speed" solidifies your intent. It's not merely the repetition of words, but the reinforcement of the belief they embody. Each repetition imprints the affirmation deeper into your subconscious, strengthening your belief and gradually altering your mindset. Over time, this can transform skepticism into belief and dreams into actions. The psychological foundation of this practice is strong. Studies in neuropsychology suggest that repetition is a key element in the formation of synaptic pathways in the brain. Essentially, the more you repeat an affirmation, the stronger the pathway and the quicker your brain acts to manifest that reality. Integrating affirmations into your daily routine can significantly enhance their effectiveness. Choose times of the day when you are most receptive, such as in the morning when you wake up, during a midday break, or right before you go to sleep at night. During these times, your mind is in a more absorbent state, capable of deeply processing and accepting these positive affirmations. Consistency is key. Integrating this practice into your daily life ensures that it becomes a habit, not just a sporadic effort. This habitual repetition makes the affirmations a fundamental part of your thought process, steering your daily actions and decisions towards wealth creation. Let's look into how aligning your actions with these affirmations can significantly enhance their effectiveness in manifesting wealth swiftly. This step is about making your actions consistent with your financial aspirations, effectively bridging the gap between what you affirm and what you do. To ensure that your affirmations are not just words, but catalysts for real change, it's essential to align your everyday actions with your financial goals. Start by evaluating your current financial behaviors and adjusting them to pave the way for increased wealth. For example, if your affirmation focuses on attracting wealth quickly, look into your spending habits, investment strategies, and saving patterns. Adjust these financial behaviors to foster an environment where wealth can not only grow, but also sustain itself. Planning and goal setting are instrumental in this process. Set clear, measurable financial goals that reflect the outcomes you are affirming. If your affirmation involves generating more income, consider ways to enhance your skills or seek opportunities for advancement in your career. The key here is to take deliberate steps that complement your affirmations, ensuring that every action you take is a step towards realizing the wealth you seek. Consistency in your financial discipline plays a crucial role in manifesting the results of your affirmations. Regular reviews of your financial plan and adjustments as necessary will help maintain your focus and keep you on track towards your goals. This also involves resilience. Staying disciplined even when immediate results are not visible is crucial. Understand that manifesting wealth is a process, and maintaining alignment between your affirmations and your financial behaviors sustains the momentum needed to realize tangible results. Visualization is a powerful technique that works hand in hand with affirmations. By visualizing yourself achieving the wealth you affirm, you create a vivid mental image of your success, making it more tangible and achievable. The process involves picturing yourself in scenarios where you have already achieved the wealth you desire. Imagine checking your bank balance and seeing the figures you aspire to, or visualize receiving a payment for a big project. The key to effective visualization is the clarity and detail of the mental images you create. To practice visualization effectively, set aside a few minutes each day to dedicate solely to visualizing your financial success. Find a quiet place where you can focus without interruptions. Close your eyes and paint a detailed picture in your mind where you are living in the abundance you want to attract. Feel the emotions associated with achieving this success, the joy, the security, the peace. These emotions will charge your visualizations with the energy needed to manifest them into reality. Integrating visualization into your daily routine enhances the power of your affirmations. Just as with repeating affirmations, regular practice of visualization strengthens its impact on your subconscious, aligning your thoughts and emotions with your financial goals. Together, affirmations and visualization create a potent combination that prepares both your mind and your environment for attracting wealth at an incredible speed. A critical barrier to successful affirmation and visualization practices is the presence of deep-seated negative beliefs about wealth. These could stem from past experiences, societal inputs, or self-imposed limitations. And to attract wealth effectively, it is essential to first become aware of these negative beliefs and then actively work to transform them into positive assurances. Begin by jotting down any recurrent negative thoughts you have about wealth, such as, "It's impossible for me to become wealthy," or "Wealth is only for the lucky." Once these are identified, challenge each belief by asking yourself why you hold that belief and whether it is genuinely true. Replace these negative beliefs with positively framed affirmations that not only counter the original belief, but reinforce your capability and right to attract wealth. Creating a positive mindset is about more than negating negative thoughts. It involves building a new foundation of positive beliefs. Regularly affirm your potential and right to achieve financial success. For example, affirm to yourself, "I am fully capable of creating wealth, and my actions continually attract wealth into my life." By affirming these positive beliefs, you reprogram your mind to expect success, which in turn influences your actions and reactions towards making wealth a reality. It's beneficial to understand that the law of attraction isn't just a mystical belief, but is also supported by principles of modern psychology, particularly the theory of cognitive dissonance and confirmation bias. Cognitive dissonance occurs when your beliefs do not match up with your actions, causing discomfort until one aligns with the other. By maintaining a practice of positive affirmations and visualization, you align your beliefs with your actions, reducing dissonance and promoting psychological well-being. To utilize this knowledge, incorporate affirmation and visualization practices into your daily routine in a way that they become automatic responses to any financial decision-making or career planning. This habitual practice not only enhances your psychological alignment with wealth, but also ensures that your everyday actions are consistently reinforcing your financial goals. The science behind the law of attraction helps solidify the understanding that your thoughts, backed by affirmative action, have the power to shape your reality. Affirmation ladders involve starting with a basic, easily believable affirmation and gradually building up to more significant, impactful statements. This method helps to slowly build your belief system without triggering skepticism or disbelief. Another powerful technique is the integration of meditation into your affirmation practice. Meditation can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and create a more receptive state for affirmations. By meditating on your affirmations, you can deepen their impact on your subconscious, allowing for a more profound acceptance and integration into your mindset. Schedule regular sessions where meditation and affirmations are practiced together, creating a routine that fosters both mental clarity and focus towards your financial goals. Maintaining momentum in your affirmation and visualization practices requires persistent effort. It's important to establish these practices as regular habits to effectively influence your financial mindset and outcomes. Continually remind yourself of the reasons you started this journey towards wealth attraction. Keeping a journal of your progress can be immensely helpful. In it, note any small successes and shifts in mindset or financial status. And this documentation will serve not only as a motivational tool, but also as a way to refine your practices based on what works best for you. As you proceed, you might encounter setbacks or find that certain affirmations or visualizations need adjustment. This is a normal part of any growth process. When faced with challenges, take the opportunity to reassess and adapt your strategies. This adaptability is key to overcoming obstacles and continuing towards your financial goals without losing momentum. Stay flexible and open to modifying your approach based on your experiences and the changing circumstances of your life. In this video, we explored the power of repeating the affirmation, "You will attract wealth at an incredible speed 3 times a day." We looked into understanding affirmations, the importance of specificity, the role of repetition, aligning actions with affirmations, the impact of visualization, overcoming negative beliefs, and enhancing the affirmation experience with advanced techniques and meditation. Remember, the journey to attracting wealth is as much about mindset as it is about action. Begin today by choosing to repeat your affirmations with conviction, integrate them into your daily routine, and visualize your success vividly. Maintain discipline in your practice, adapt as necessary, and continue to foster a mindset conducive to wealth. With consistent effort and belief in the process, you are setting the stage for attracting wealth at an incredible speed. Keep pushing forward, stay committed, and watch as your financial reality transforms to match your affirmations.